In conclusion, I would like to say that menopause is a physiological condition. Sometimes the women go through it very smoothly, but sometimes it may cause severe symptoms, disturbing and irritant symptoms like hot flashes or night sweats or disturbed sleep. Menopause makes the woman more prone for osteoporosis and fractures or some cardiovascular diseases. For the treatment or prevention of these problems, we can advise the woman lifestyle changes where she maintains her activity and doesn't take a sedentary life. Some exercises are important. Apart from that, she should have a nutritious and balanced diet containing protein and calcium. She is also advised to take calcium and vitamin D supplements, and smoking and alcohol should be given up, if not at least reduced. In case these measures are not sufficient, then we can go for hormonal treatment. The risks of hormonal treatment is endometrial and breast cancer. Women with endometrial cancer or breast cancer or history of deep vein thrombosis or coronary heart disease, we cannot give hormone, especially estrogen. Those women who are for hormone therapy, we can give them estrogen. If hysterectomy is done, only estrogen can be given, but if the uterus is intact, then we should give progesterone and estrogen. It can be given continuous or cyclical. Estrogen can be given orally or transdermal patch or percutaneous estrogen gel. Subdermal implants can be given, or local application in the vaginal cream for atrophic vaginitis can be given. Apart from that, another method of giving progesterone is by giving LNG IUS. So this intrauterine device also gives constant daily release of progesterone, and which will relieve her symptoms. The hormonal therapy should be given for the shortest time as possible and at the lowest effective dose. And one word about abnormal menopause. Menopause is called premature when it occurs before 40 years, or it is delayed when it occurs beyond 55 years. If it happens, then it needs to be investigated for any pathology in the woman. Then there is surgical menopause is when we remove the uterus or we remove the ovaries. Then sometimes because of the radiation or chemotherapy, there may be artificial radiation menopause. Thank you.